In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best turntables in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which turntables is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Jancane Drive Bluetooth Turntable. The belt drive turntable with an expert-grade anti-resonance die-cast lightweight aluminum plate, durable yet lightweight, the plate remains steady as it rotates, lowering vibration for boosted quality and hi-fi sound. Super Stylus Cartridge Type Audio-Technica at 3600L, see to it perfectly inside the document's groove, keeping clarity on music heights, harmonizing channels, and providing the high-fidelity sound of plastic experience. Turntable with Bluetooth transferring feature, it can be connected to Bluetooth audio speakers and also various other Bluetooth receiving gadgets. You additionally can link RCA outcomes to other audio speaker systems. It has flexible dynamic anti-skid control, balanced flexible manage, hydraulic damping training control as well as lockable bracket. Vinyl to MP3 recording, USB port for computer web link supports convert turntable to MP3s using USB link to Mac or PC. You can make use of the complimentary Audacity recording software application to record plastic records directly to digital layout in USB. This record player with removable protective dust cover and numerous features. It can bring you song satisfaction yet also embellish your space to create a pleasant and also stress-free surrounding feel. It has 2 speeds selectable. With Bluetooth sending feature, it can be attached to Bluetooth speakers and also other Bluetooth receiving gadgets. You also can link through the RCA cord if needed. Here is the item number 4, Crosley Speed Bluetooth Turntable. Complete, easy to set up 2-speed turntable with upgraded audio quality plinth, and also included stereo audio speakers. Built-in Bluetooth receiver allows you to stream your favorite music to the 30-watt speakers. Built-in, switchable preamp allows you to quickly couple with any type of stereo element of your option. Take control of your analog listening experience thanks to a pitch control knob, a lightweight aluminum tone arm with adjustable weight, as well as RCA results. Relocating magnet cartridge is pre-mounted and also straightened at the factory, utilizes standard 1 or 2 inch place so you can switch up cartridges. Consisted of parts, T150B, platter, belt, audio speakers, speaker cords, 45 RPM adapter, power adapter, customer manual. The Crosley T150 is a full, easy-to-establish turntable system right out of the package. Whether you're appreciating the warm noise of vinyl or streaming digital music by means of the integrated Bluetooth receiver, the consistent stereo audio speakers. The item number 3, ION Audio Premier Wireless. Find your treasured plastic record collection premium 3-speed turntable that plays every record in your collection, finished in a spectacular black surface. Bluetooth streaming. Bluetooth sends out a wireless signal to any Bluetooth audio speaker, integrated phono preamplifier for wired connection to non-Bluetooth speakers. The focal point of your paying attention experience 1 or 8-inch AUX input to link media resources consisting of cassette players or CD players, RCA outputs for a link to outside audio speakers and hi-fi separates. Room loading sound on board integrated into speakers provide punchy, clear noise, no fuss, just unwind and also pay attention to your documents. Digitize your collection. Transform tracks right into digital files using USB onto your PC or Mac with the consisted of ION Audio Easy Conversion software program. Every little thing you need: protective dust cover, 45 RPM adapter, as well as really felt slip mat included. Number 2 in our list, 1x1 belt drive turntable. Bluetooth connection, couple with Bluetooth speakers or headphones for a remarkable, wire-free experience. Also much better, no receiver required. Audio-Technica Stylus Pen. The diamond-tipped Audio-Technica Stylus Pen cartridge is developed to produce rich noise and also superior quality, tracking your record's grooves with accuracy for precise, high-def audio. Flexible weight pressure. Obtain ideal playback each time making use of the tone arm weight as well as an advanced anti-skating system. These ensure the stylus pen is well balanced and rests deep in your record's groove, producing smooth stylus movement, shielding your records from damages, and giving freedom from missing and also distortion. Fantastic connectivity options. Delight in plastic playback with any type of amplifier utilizing the integrated magnetic kind preamp. This turntable includes both phono and also line results that permit having fun of vinyl with or without a phono equalizer. Vinyl recording through computer. Link this turntable to your computer through USB as well as encode plastic sound right into MP3s for digitalized storage and playback on your computer system, smartphone, or tablet computer. Take your favorite plastics with you on the go. One Bione record player is crafted with a lightweight aluminum die-cast plate, polished stainless steel pin, and high-torque DC motor with a durable rubber belt to produce uniform inertial mass for ideal stability, as well as rotation. Delight in vinyl playback with any amplifier using the integrated MM-type preamp. The top one in our list, LPN number 1 Bluetooth vinyl record. 3-speed belt drive turntable. The diamond-tipped stylus pen plays all of 33 1 or 3, 45, and also 90 RPMs records. The auto-stop setup makes it feasible to stop instantly when it gets to completion of the document. Stereo turntable with impressive audio outfitted with a separable pair of speakers, allow you to take pleasure in the complete, real and real-time plastic audio in double speakers easily. The quantity is audible for lots of occasions. Modern record player with Bluetooth. Great record player along with capability to work as a Bluetooth speaker. Turn to BT on your phone and hook up to any kind of Bluetooth tool conveniently for cost sound. High-quality plastic player and speaker set. Double shelf speakers permit several placement options. You can make the audio speakers as an effective audio base, or place it as a shelf or record shelf. Classic audio turntable record player. The audio turntable with a strong timber appearance features a safety dust cover, as well as you can get rid of the cover or shut it while the document is playing. Excellent turntable with really strong developed top quality. Enjoy your favorite vinyl albums with this vintage-looking turntable. Dual effective audio speakers separated from the turntable give you stereo imaging audio. Built-in Bluetooth receiver lets you wirelessly stream the electronic songs from the mobile phone, tablet, or various other tools and the matching audio speakers after Bluetooth connection. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best turntables amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.